In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the layer slider that's on various pages. On the home page, we're just using one image, and we can see that. So if we click here, go to layer slider, this is a specific, there's the home page, and these are the various other pages, and I labeled them according to pages. Most of these have 3 slides. The home page only has the one slide. You never want to delete again. Here, the wording falls in here. You can visually move it, but you don't want to. This is already centered. If you want to change information here, you can. This is the H1 class, so it's a big heading. But here's the image, and that you can update here as well. You can look at the media browser. It's gonna take a few seconds to upload. You can upload a new image, or you can look at actually your. You can get stuff from the web, which you probably wouldn't, but you can look at your library. And you can actually filter out here depending on how they're called, but slides, yep, and there's all the various slides for different ones, so you can select a different one, add it, you can upload, there's various things you could do here to, this is already set, it's centered, this is 4 seconds delay, it fades in, and so we're going to go back to layer slider, and we're going to go to let's go to design. So that, oh sorry, when you click the name, it just goes here, so you save it, that's fine. Let's edit the slides here. And you'll notice that, so it's design, and then that one has the class, but has the name design, and if you go to the second slide, it has all the same information, so the word doesn't change, but this is how the images change behind the word. And then you can see the 3 different images. There's the carving, the second one's and the carving, the other one's holding it, and the first one is putting oil on it. So if we go back home and we go to design, you'll see the first slide, the second slide. You can see the name doesn't change. It's a nice visual effect where it's just these various things that make up design are what's appearing in the slide, and you can update those as well. They all have the same dimension. You can pick new images to do that, but each of the main pages has a layer slider. Again, the home page has the one. It could be easily, you can add more slides to it easily. We'll go back home, and then the layer slider tutorial.